Looking to add warmth and style to your home? In this video, we'll show you how to mount an electric fireplace, a space-saving, sleek, and modern solution for your living room, bedroom, or office. First, choose the right spot for your electric fireplace. Make sure it's near a power outlet and positioned at eye level for the best heat distribution and visibility. Gather the tools you'll need: a drill, screws, a level, and a stud finder. You'll also need mounting brackets, which usually come with the fireplace. Now, measure and mark the mounting area using a level to ensure everything is straight and even. This step is key for a professional finish. Next, install the mounting bracket onto the wall, ensuring it's secured into the wall studs for stability. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure a safe setup. Carefully mount the electric fireplace onto the bracket. Align the pre-drilled holes and fasten the screws tightly, but not too tight to avoid damaging the unit. Finally, hide the wires using cord covers or cable management systems for a clean and sleek look. With these simple steps, you've now successfully mounted your electric fireplace. Enjoy the cozy warmth and modern look it brings to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.